Are you one of those people like this guy? He was so bored and tired that he'd lose his job. Or maybe he was about to go to sleep. George was tired and felt sad. But he needs to go get some photographers' photos. There was that Shutterbug camera shop. They were buying editing, cameras, auto shots, and lastly, the camera stand photography. It was all sold out. He went home and tried to get some cameras. He closed the door. He's gonna work on the new camera. Okay, let's see how it works. Oh, sorry, I gotta get out. Okay, let me turn on that light. Oh, okay, I will touch it up. Well, I need to. It has to be cut. Just normal about that. Then we go. Stop! Go. Like that. The first camera is to take a photo at the zoo. Okay. Oh, there it is. A bear. Okay. Bound. Bear beware. Okay. I didn't know anything about that. Okay, let's get started. Okay. Oh. Come to daddy. Okay, it works. Okay, working on. Just a little bit there. I'm almost done. Are you there? What? Okay, this works. This is a little too young to him. Uh-oh. Something's wrong here. Oh! I need to go up on top of the camera. Just a second on there, okay? You better stay there. Ooh. Okay, I'm running. I gotta get in the cave. Goldilocks and the Three Bears? I'm coming. Oh. Take the picture. Take the picture. Oh, no. I'm slipping. No. Here we go. Oh. Yes. There we go. I'm running. Hold on. Let me enter. There. I'm running. Here's the bottle. Here's the bottle. Bring her down. gosh! A lady bear! How you doing, lady bear? No! No! Well, what's this handsome fellow? Get me back to my apartment, please! Go. Run! Go on! I gotta go. Run! He's right there! No! Well, there was a good ending. But they worked together, working on photos. After this case, bears will be allowed at the zoo. They can take pictures of them for 10 cents.